Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anisya Dwi Agustin from IPSE 2018. So today we would like to discuss about the inverters. We will discuss about what is inverters and where are inverters used and how inverters work. Okay, let's do some discussion. And what is inverters? So as we know, electrical power have two different types, such as direct current or DC and also alternating current or AC, and both types of power have their use and limitation, so we often need to convert between the two to maximize their use, and we can use the inverters. So what is inverters? Inverters is a device which is used to convert between direct current and also alternating current. So you can see this picture, the direct current and also inverter to become alternating current. AC versus DC in inverters. So if you use an oscilloscope to look at the signal of these two types of power, you will see the direct current set its maximum voltage and continues in a straight line. That's because the current flows directly is only one direction, which is why it's called as a direct current. And it's a bit like a river or canal. It's always at its peak and its flow in one direction. And also, if you use an oscilloscope to look at alternating current, you will see a wave like a pattern, where the voltage alternates between its two peak voltage in the positive half and the negative half of its cycle. And this is because the current travels back and forth. It's a bit like the tide of the ocean, where it reaches its maximum high tide and maximum low tide, and the current of the water change direction between these two peaks. Inverter is simply converter from DC to AC, and this is a useful invention. You can also convert from AC to DC using a rectifier, and it's common to find both of these in some device. Where inverters use, so you can use inverters in home applications such as like a pumps and a compressors, and also in fans, and also in a car battery. How inverters work? So let's consider a simplified circuit where a DC source is being used to power an AC load. So to convert the DC to AC, there are four switches, and the switch are paired together so that switch 2 and 3 open when 1 and 4 close, and vice versa. And this will force the current through the load is an alternating current, and therefore the load will experience an alternating current even though it's from a DC source. So you can see in the picture, if we switch 2 and 3 close and switch 1 and 4 open, this will cause the current to flow to the right hand side of the lamp, and if switch 1 and 4 close and 2 and 3 open, then this will force the current to flow to the left hand side of the lamp. And also, some engineers use special electronic components such as diodes and AGBTs or etc. to achieve the required switching speed. That's all from our today's discussion. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next discussion.